Coordinates 3 degrees 10 UN 73 degrees 31 A 3.17 degrees north 73.51 degrees east 3.17 73.51 Maldives, comprising a territory spanning roughly 298 square kilometers. Maldives is one of the world's most geographically dispersed sovereign states as well as the smallest Asian country by land area and with around 557,426 inhabitants. The second least populous country in Asia. Male is the capital and the most populated city, traditionally called the King's Island, where the ancient royal dynasties ruled for its central location. The Maldivian archipelago is located on the Chagos Laccadive Ridge, a vast submarine mountain range in the Indian Ocean. This also forms a terrestrial ecoregion, together with the Chagos archipelago and Lakshadweep, with an average ground level elevation of 1.5 meters above sea level, and a highest natural point of only 5.1 meters. It is the world's lowest lying country. In the 12th century, Islam reached the Maldivian archipelago, which was consolidated as a sultanate, developing strong commercial and cultural ties with Asia and Africa. From the mid-16th century, the region came under the increasing influence of European colonial powers, with Maldives becoming a British protectorate in 1887. Independence from the United Kingdom came in 1965, and a presidential republic was established in 1968 with an elected People's Majlis. The ensuing decades have seen political instability, efforts at democratic reform, and environmental challenges posed by climate change. Maldives became a founding member of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It is also a member of the United Nations, the Commonwealth of Nations, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and the Non-Aligned Movement. The World Bank classifies the Maldives as having an upper middle income economy. Fishing has historically been the dominant economic activity, and remains the largest sector by far, followed by the rapidly growing tourism industry. Maldives rate high on the Human Development Index, with per capita income significantly higher than other SAARC nations. Maldives was a member of the Commonwealth from July 1982 until withdrawing from the organization in October 2016 in protest at allegations by the other nations of its human rights abuses and failing democracy. The Maldives rejoined the Commonwealth on 1 February 2020 after showing evidence of functioning democratic processes and popular support. According to legends, the first settlers of Maldives were people known as Dewas. The first kingdom of the Maldives was known as Deva Mari. In the 3rd century BC, during the visit of emissaries sent by Emperor Asoka, Maldives was known as Deva Mahal. During c. 1100 to 1166, Maldives was also referred as Devakuda, and the Laccadive archipelago, which was a part of Maldives, was then referred to as Devakhanbar by the scholar and polymath Al-Biruni. The name Maldives may also derive from Sanskrit Mala in Sinhala. The Maldivian people are called Divahin. The word Deeb, the ancient Sri Lanka chronicle Mahavansa, refers to an island called Mahila Deva in Pali, which is probably a mistranslation of the same Sanskrit word meaning garland. Jan Hogandon, Grossman professor of economics, theorizes that the name Maldives derives from the Sanskrit Maladvipa. In Kannada, garland of islands can be translated as Maldvipa. None of these names is mentioned in any literature, but classical Sanskrit texts dating back to the Vedic period mention the 100,000 islands, a generic name which would include not only the Maldives, but also the Laccadives, Aminidivi Islands, Minicoy, and the Chagos Island groups. Some medieval travelers such as Ibn Battuta called the islands Mahal Dibiat, while the British anglicized the local name for the islands first to the Maldive Islands, and later to Maldives. Garcia dar Otter, in a conversational book first published in 1563, writes as follows: I must tell you that I have heard it said that the natives do not call it Maldiva but Nalidiva. In the Malabar language, Nale means four and Diva island, so that in that language the word signifies 4 islands, while we, corrupting the name, call it Maldiva. The Maldives is an old nation, well over 2,500 years old according to legends of the southern atolls. According to the book, Kitab Faye Athar Midhu al-Kadima of Midhu in Adu Atoll, the first settlers of the Maldives were people known as Devas. They came from the Kalibanga in India. The time of their arrival is unknown, but it was before Emperor Asoka's kingdom in 269 to 232 BC. Shihabuddin's story tallies remarkably well with the recorded history of South Asia and that of copperplate document of Maldives known as Lomafanu, the Mapanansa, the copper plates on which was recorded the history of the first kings of Maldives from the Solar dynasty, were lost quite early on. A 4th century notice written by Ammianu Marcellinus speaks of gifts sent to the Roman Emperor Julian by a deputation from T.